Turn on subtitles for better understanding. English has a long story. It started with old tribes, and slowly changed over centuries, until it became modern today. Germanic tribes came to Britain, they brought their own speech, and this became Old English, the first stage of the language. Old English was complex, it used many endings, word order was less important, meaning came from grammar forms. Vikings arrived from Scandinavia, they mixed their words in, English borrowed from their speech, and grammar became simpler. In 1066 the Normans invaded, they spoke a kind of French, their words entered English life, law and art terms appeared. Middle English was born, it lasted for centuries, grammar grew easier to use, word order became stronger. Writers like Chaucer showed how people spoke then, his tales used Middle English, with rich and colorful words. The great vowel shift began, it changed how vowels sounded, English pronunciation moved closer to the modern style we know. Printing came with Caxton's press, books spread across England, spelling started to stabilize, English gained a common form. The Renaissance brought learning, new ideas filled Europe, Latin words entered English speech. Science and art shaped language. Explorers traveled far away, they met new cultures abroad, foreign words came back home, English absorbed them quickly. Shakespeare wrote his plays, he created fresh phrases, his creativity enriched English, his influence still lasts today. Colonies grew in America, English crossed the ocean, it mixed with native tongues, and formed American English. Back in Britain, English changed, science added new terms, politics shaped vocabulary too, language grew more precise. Johnson wrote his dictionary, it fixed spelling rules, grammar books taught standards, schools spread proper English. The Industrial Revolution arrived, machines changed daily life, new words described inventions, English adapted to progress. Britain ruled a vast empire, English spread to colonies, it became a global tool, used for trade and power. Africa and Asia learned English, it was used in schools, administration needed the language, it linked diverse peoples. America grew in strength, its English gained influence, movies and music spread globally, American English shaped culture. The 20th century brought media, radio and film expanded reach, English became the language of entertainment and news. World wars spread English further, soldiers used it abroad, diplomacy relied on it, nations adopted it widely. After 1945 America led, its culture spread everywhere, English became the voice of business and science. Technology added new words, computers changed communication, English became digital speech, the internet made it global. English now has many forms. British and American are main, but Indian and African English show local culture too. Australian English adds slang, Canadian English mixes styles, each variety is unique, all enrich the language. Grammar is simpler today, cases and endings disappeared, word order gives meaning, learning became easier. Vocabulary keeps expanding daily, new slang comes from media, technology adds fresh terms, English adapts to life. Spelling is less logical, history shaped the words, pronunciation often differs greatly, learners must memorize patterns. Still, English is flexible, it accepts new changes, it grows with culture, and stays strong worldwide. English is now global, it links nations together, it helps trade and travel, it builds understanding bridges. Millions learn English yearly, it opens many doors, it connects them to knowledge, it gives world access. English grew from tribes to empire and technology. Its journey shows evolution, language adapts with time. From Old English roots, to Shakespeare's creativity, to modern digital speech, English kept transforming. It borrowed from Vikings, from French and Latin, from colonies abroad, and from modern science. English united cultures, it carried ideas worldwide, it became a symbol of global communication. Learners find challenges, spelling and pronunciation differ. But practice brings progress, English rewards effort. English is not perfect, but it is useful. Its strength is flexibility, its power is reach. Today English dominates, in business and research, in travel and media, in daily global life. Its story is long, its growth is constant, its future is open, English will keep evolving. The journey of English shows language can change, from small tribe speech to worldwide modern voice.